Hi! I finally got the Crayola Colors of the World colored pencils and will be swatching them in this video. I got this from the official store of Crayola in Shopee and I got this for 400 pesos. I'll put the link of the item in the description box below. We'll be using these two cardstocks in our swatches, one white and one black. So this is what it looks like. I cut it already and put on some chart. This is 24 color pencils. There are 3 shades, the almond, rose, and golden. Open this up now. So cute. I will just rearrange this into the 3 colors. Before we do the swatches, let me show you what it looks like. No? So there's a yellow gold foily name, and the name of the color is also at the back. And then this is the other end, and it is pre-sharpened already. There are a total of 10 almonds, 7 golden, 7 rose. So I've listed the names of the colors here in my swatch cards, and we will be swatching the white and blue. So sorry if there's I covered it with washi tape because I had a mistake in writing the orders of the colors. Okay, so let's begin. We'll start with the almonds, and then I'll just put on some music and we'll continue with the swatching. So this is extra light almond. So black paper, this is what it looks like. Very light almond. So here are the swatches on white paper, the almonds, and for this one on black paper. We'll now proceed to the light golden. Okay, so here are the swatches of the golden, and here on black paper. We'll now proceed to the rose. so here are all the swatches. Since we finished the rose already, so here are all the swatches of the Crayola Colors of the World colored pencils on white, and this one on black. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!